Alright guys, so today I got a diorama that I'm going to unbox today. Um, so I got this from AliExpress. Um let's unbox the diorama. Okay, so this diorama is from the Geechan models. It's a 1/64th model scale refitting garage diorama. So you have all the accessories that comes with this, and I'll be unboxing these boxes right after this unpacking. So those are the two sets that you get in the box. So let's unpack this first. So this diorama comes with all the lights. There's a USB cable that you can plug to the power outlet, and the lights are powered by USB. So let me unpack this. Okay, so I have unpacked the diorama. As you can see, there's a sliding door that you can use. So that's the diorama. So it comes with some LED lights that are already attached to it, that is powered by the USB cable. It's a nice looking diorama. So it has some space for cars. It's a nice looking diorama. So that's the second diorama kit. So this is for the Nissan garage. You will have to assemble it. Instruction manual. Alright folks, so that's the diorama set. One is from the Geechan models, which is a Nissan GTR garage set that you get with all the accessories, and the other one is also from the same manufacturer that comes already assembled. So that's it guys, that's the assembling of the diorama. As you can see, it's a beautiful looking one. I still have to plug it into the power adapter to basically make the lights work. So that's the initial assembly. That's it guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe to the channel to basically get notified of the new videos that we post. Thank you very much.